Ever wondered how Xero handles your global finances? Those pesky multi-currency transactions that can turn bookkeeping into a headache? Well, today we're diving deep into the heart of Xero's currency support. We'll uncover which currencies Xero plays nice with, how it handles conversions, and even explore some of the limitations you might encounter. So, grab your favorite beverage and let's get started. In today's interconnected world, businesses often operate across borders. Whether you're selling products internationally, paying suppliers overseas, or simply managing personal finances in multiple currencies, having a robust accounting system that can handle it all is crucial. That's where accounting software like Xero comes into play. Xero is a cloud-based accounting software that's gaining popularity worldwide. It's known for its user-friendly interface, automation features, and mobile accessibility. But one of the key factors contributing to its success is its strong multi-currency support. But what exactly does that mean? And which currencies does Xero actually support? Which currencies does Xero support? Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, the currencies Xero supports. Extensive coverage. Xero boasts a comprehensive list of supported currencies, covering a vast majority of the world's major economies. Dynamic updates. It's important to note that Xero's currency support is constantly evolving. They regularly add new currencies to their system to keep up with the ever-changing global market. To get the most up-to-date list of supported currencies, I recommend visiting the Xero support website. Their official support documentation usually provides the most accurate and current information. Checking within the Xero app. Some users might find the information directly within the Xero application itself. Important note: while Xero supports a wide range of currencies, it's always a good idea to double-check if your specific currency is supported before committing to using Xero for your accounting needs. How Xero handles currency conversions. Now that we know which currencies Xero supports, let's talk about how it handles currency conversions. Automatic conversions. Xero can automatically convert foreign currency transactions into your base currency. This eliminates the need for manual calculations and reduces the risk of errors. Exchange rate sources. Xero typically uses reliable exchange rate sources, such as major financial institutions, to ensure accurate conversions. Historical rates. Xero often provides historical exchange rates for your transactions, allowing you to track the impact of currency fluctuations over time. Customization options. In some cases, you might have the option to customize the exchange rate used for a specific transaction. This can be helpful if you have access to a more favorable exchange rate through your bank or another financial institution. Key considerations and limitations. While Xero's multi-currency support is generally robust, there are a few considerations and limitations to keep in mind. Currency base. You'll need to choose a base currency for your Xero account. All transactions will be recorded in this base currency, and foreign currency transactions will be converted accordingly. Bank feeds. The availability and reliability of bank feeds for foreign currency accounts can vary depending on your bank and the specific currency. Reporting. While Xero provides tools for generating reports in multiple currencies, the specific reporting capabilities might vary depending on your subscription plan. Pro tip: if you're dealing with complex multi-currency transactions or have specific reporting requirements, it's always a good idea to consult with a qualified accountant or financial advisor. Benefits of Xero's multi-currency support. Despite these considerations, Xero's multi-currency support offers numerous benefits for businesses and individuals. Improved efficiency. Automating currency conversions saves time and reduces the risk of manual errors. Enhanced accuracy. Using reliable exchange rate sources ensures accurate financial records. Better financial oversight. Tracking historical exchange rates provides valuable insights into the impact of currency fluctuations on your finances. Simplified global transactions. Managing international transactions becomes much easier with a system that seamlessly handles multiple currencies. For example, international e-commerce businesses. Xero can help you track sales and expenses in multiple currencies, making it easier to manage your global operations and analyze your profitability. Freelancers and contractors. If you work with clients in different countries, Xero can help you manage your income and expenses in their respective currencies. Travelers and expats. Xero can simplify the process of tracking your travel expenses and managing your finances while living abroad. Visual aids and engaging elements. Throughout this video, consider incorporating visual aids to enhance viewer engagement. Screen recordings. Show viewers how to navigate the Xero interface, access currency settings, and view transaction history. Animated graphics. Use simple animations to illustrate key concepts, such as currency conversions and the flow of funds in a multi-currency environment. Charts and graphs. Visualize data related to currency fluctuations and the impact of exchange rates on your finances. Remember to keep the video concise and to the point. Use clear and concise language, and avoid technical jargon whenever possible. If you're considering using Xero for your accounting needs, I encourage you to explore their website and learn more about their features and pricing. If you're already a Xero user, I hope this video has provided you with a better understanding of their multi-currency support and how to make the most of it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.